How to fix enable to post comments. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the comments problem on your TikTok app easy and quick. Once you are on your profile, all you need to do is the first thing, make sure to go to Google Play or App Store to see if you are loading the latest version of TikTok. The second thing, click on those three lines and click on Setting and Privacy. Scroll down and you have free app space, click on it. And here you have cache. Clear your cache to free up space on your TikTok app. And this won't affect your TikTok experience. Click on Clear and clear cache. Go back. If this doesn't work, click on report a problem. Wait for a second. Scroll down and click on follow likes. Once you click on follow, likes and comments, click on comments and you're gonna find enable to post comments. Click on it. And here they're gonna give you some advices like to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and clear up video cache, restore the app in your device, make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok. All this stuff I said before. If this doesn't help, click on no and click on need more help. And here you're gonna find the place where you write a feedback. So send them a feedback and a video or screenshot of the message they give you when you're trying to post comments, or what is happening when you are trying to post the comments. Take a video shot and send them with your feedback and click on report. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.